Hey y'all, what's up? It's your girl Chrissy and I am back finally with another YouTube video. Life got a hold of me, not even kidding. Just a little life update recap. For those who don't know me, I guess, I am starting a hair company. So that has honestly been taking a lot of my attention as of late. So I apologize to those who are really waiting for this video. I did want to give you guys content and we're just going to do something really basic today, honestly. That's my roommate singing. But yeah, I just wanted to do something a little different today. I didn't want to use my hands to create a fit. I literally just wanted to show you guys what I bought. So I went to Forever 21, H&M, and Zara, and I went ahead and I just bought a lot of things, honestly, and I just want to show you guys what I bought. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give me a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already, and we're about to get right into this. Let's go. All right, y'all, so this is the first fit. I bought this top at Zara. I bought these jeans at American Eagle. I think they fit me pretty good. I'm tall. I'm 5'8.5", so let's just round up to 5'9". Just look. I don't like it when my pants hit like that. Like, I need my pants to at least touch the floor. And so basically what I'm gonna do is return these pants, but I just wanna show you guys, these are the skater jeans from American Eagle, if you're interested. These are honestly my favorite style that I purchased. And I'm just gonna show you guys how I would style this top and these bottoms real quick. Boom, I got this bag from Zara. It was like $39. I thought it was really cute because of the handle, so I said, hell yes, I need it. And this is the top. This is honestly my fave pickup, and this is exactly why I'm starting this video with this. Like, I just feel so like, you know what I'm saying? Whatever. You know. But anyway, so this is the fit. I'm gonna go ahead. This video is gonna be really chaotic, guys. Really chaotic. This jacket, this oversized flannel from Zara. If you want this flannel, I would heavily suggest go to H&M instead because they're half the price. I realized that after I purchased this and I lost the receipt, so it's too late for me. But honestly, have no regrets with this top. I love it. And on to the next outfit. Okay, so I am back with another fit. I got this top at H&M and I got these bottoms at Levi's. That's one store that I left out. I struggle to find jeans and I'm actually pretty pleased. They're really long. I literally can't complain. So I'm gonna show you guys the corduroy jacket that I'm gonna match with these bottoms to tie the fit together.
So I'm trying to get monetized. I had music playing in the background, so that was a no-go. So I'm just gonna go ahead and tell you guys exactly what I have on right now. These are my jeans. I thrifted these from Goodwill, I believe. The bag is from Zara and it was so fluffy. I literally had to get it. The top is from Forever 21 and that is it. This fit is giving me very SZA energy. The top is from Levi's. The bottoms are the same ones as the last video. The bomber is from H&M, and the shoes, I can't remember where I got them from, but yeah, this is my fit. How many times did I put up the peace signs and the kissy faces? I'm challenging you guys to comment that. But another thing, I had music playing in the background of my outro. Sadly, y'all, like, I'm so sad right now. But you know what? In this video, all I'm literally saying, subscribe if you haven't already, and definitely comment which outfit was your favorite. I will definitely be more consistent with my videos, y'all. I promise. I already have another one filmed for next week for you guys. So I'm going to go ahead, sign off here, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye.